Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's half-height bed rack for Jeep's 2020 to current JT Gladiator. Step 1. Prior to installation, measure and cut the included foam padding so that it covers any vehicle contact points, arch and support brace connections, or where you feel it's needed. Step 2. Begin placing the arches onto the bed. The two arches with the larger brackets belong on the outside. The arch with our signature plate in the center faces the rear. Spacing will be determined by the support brace connections. Step 3. Start installing the two thinner support braces. With 6 of the 30mm bolts, washers, and nuts, loosely secure them to the top of the arches in your desired locations. Step 4. Loosely install the larger braces onto the sides of the arches, again using 6 bolt sets. Step 5. Slide the braces around to your liking and tighten them down using a 19mm socket. Step 6. Begin securing the rack to the bed by inserting the two 50mm bolts into the included channel bracket, as shown. Rotate it behind the arch bracket and push it high up against the plastic. With a 19mm socket, tighten down a nut and washer while ensuring it clamps onto the bed. Repeat for the other 5 brackets. Step 7. Using the 4 60mm bolts, washers, and nuts, secure the hardware into the accessory mounts for future use. Enjoy your new Fishbone Offroad JT bed rack.